Hi guys, in this short video we are going to orient you to ArcGIS Pro, the 1010 gorilla of the geospatial technology world. We're going to look at the basic setup of Pro and then introduce you to some of the basic functionality such as zooming, how to turn layers on and off, how to change the drawing order, and how to get your contents window back if you accidentally close it. Okay, let's get started. ArcGIS Pro uses a ribbon interface. So if we look up at the top of the window, you can see that we have all of these different tabs. If we click on each tab, we have different options associated with each ribbon. In addition, your ArcGIS Pro interface has tabs for viewing. The two main ones are the catalog window and the map window. This is basically your dashboard for the entire project. You can access multiple maps in your project, so you can have, we have one map currently, we can add additional maps to this project. You can access customized toolboxes that have scripts that you have uploaded, and you can access various geodatabases. So if we open the geodatabases, you can see that here is the geodatabase that has the layers in it that we are going to be using in this project. We can also access these through the contents pane on the left side of your screen. Let's take a look at the map interface. So this is very similar to QGIS. We have all of our layers here in the drawing order. We can view these in different ways. So we can, currently we're looking at them by drawing order. We can also look at them by data source. We can look at them by whether we have selected them, etc. If we want to change the order in which the layers are displayed, we simply grab the layer and drag it above or below the other layers. We can turn layers on and off simply by clicking the checkbox. We can access the properties associated with the map window that we are looking at by right-clicking on the map and selecting properties. So this is how we get information such as the name of the map. We can change the name of the map. We can also control the extent at which the viewer is able to zoom in and out of the map. We can access the data, the metadata associated with the map, and we can view and change the projection and coordinate system associated with the data. In order to zoom in and out of the map, we can either use the scale pull-up that is at the bottom of the map, or we can use the track wheel to simply zoom in and out. If we want to pan around the map, we want to go over to the Map tab and use the Explore button. This will allow us to click and drag the map extent. Finally, if you accidentally close the Contents window, you can get it back by going to the View tab and selecting Contents. Okay, happy trails!